So this exercise is going to be the bird dog. So you're going to start in the quadruped position, with your knees underneath your hips and the crease of your wrist underneath your shoulders. Next, you're going to go ahead and engage your abdominal muscles to stabilize your spine. And then you're going to extend your contralateral arm and leg without rotating your pelvis, trunk, or shoulders. Then return them to the starting position. Repeat with the opposite side. Make sure to maintain that neutral spine throughout the movement. The next progression for this will be to move on to ipsilateral extension.